Hello, I'm Fabio from LINDY. I work as a product manager, and I'm going to present the concept we are going to show on ISE 2022. LINDY products are very large amount of items, up to 30,000 items in general. And the main topics are extending, connecting, converting, and sharing. And in this installation, it's divided in two sides. This side there is a laptop connected to a mini docking station that goes inside a central KVM switch, dual head. And the other side, there are 4 sources connected to a multi-view switch, which is connected to the same central KVM switch, and it goes on the 2 monitors. The connections are very different because there are Type-C sources, HDMI sources, DisplayPort sources, so there are a lot of conversions and extensions, as you can see also from the cables above. Those cables are hybrid cables, DisplayPort, and in the middle there are some just cables connecting all devices you can see. And so that's the main argument we are presenting now. All our stuff is on lindy.com, and I think that's all.